guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be updating you guys on the latest Brainrot infusion in plants versus Brainrots. So if you place a W in the fused plants and Brainrots, you can actually fuse it with the L to create this new Brainrot. It's just W and L, that's what it's called. So you're just essentially fusing these two Brainrots together. So if you missed out on that update and you have those Brainrots, you are able to fuse them together. And yeah, this is what the final product will look like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!